Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers and deal direct. Eliminate the middleman. No mortgage broker fees. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on your high-rate mortgage and your credit cards. You can save every single month by refinancing. You personally can save every month by locking in the lowest rates in over 30 years. And we make house calls to the entire tri-state area 7 days a week. Call 718-380-0006 if you're buying a home or you want to refinance your home. 718-380-0006.
It's 93.5 WVIP Radio, Winner's Circle Radio in full effect for a Monday morning. And Scott Siskin, I've got to say congratulations to you. With all this negative publicity on radio and television and in the newspapers regarding the home financing industry, First Republic Mortgage Bankers continues to show an increase in the percentage of refinancing cases that you have.
Well, actually, we're looking at our overall volume, comparing it to last year, and we're well above 30% more than where we were last year, which was a great year. And the reason is, we've always spoke about the government-backed programs. Anybody who listens to the station knows that I advocate the FHA government-backed, government-insured program for purchasing and refinancing. But we're especially empowered right now to be able to help people. I heard Jay talking about foreclosures and how important it is to take action as soon as possible. With this FHA Secure initiative that the government is having, we're being empowered to be able to help people actually 60 days, 90 days down on their mortgage, even including foreclosure. Some people might be in foreclosure, can be helped, and we actually refinance them, pay all the costs of the foreclosure, and they get a nice low fixed rate. And it's a wonderful thing, because we've always helped homeowners who had problems with past credit problems and so forth, and low credit scores, to be able to refinance and consolidate their debts. And we're still doing that like crazy, because credit card debt is just it's growing like crazy. It's all over the place. People have so much credit card debt. We recently paid off 21 credit cards for someone, and we're helping people with that, and we always have and we always will. However, we have additional authority to be able to help people that we couldn't help before. So it's very important that even before you call Jay, that you call us. Before you go into foreclosure, as soon as possible, we can help you the most possible as soon as you call. So call right now. What people tend to do, first of all, the number is 718-380-0006, 718-380-0006. What people tend to do is they stop opening the mail and they stop answering the phone once they get into this kind of situation. And, that's denial. And that's not going to help you. It's not going to change anything. And one phone call to 718-380-0006 or 1-800-QUICK loan can make all the difference. We are here to help you. We've been given additional empowerment. We have helped so many homeowners. As I always said, 1/3 to 1/2 of people who went into subprime loans could have gotten a better loan. It's not just I'm not saying that from my own experience. I'm quoting a Fannie Mae study that said that. And I always said that the government program was a better alternative. However, many people were not offered it because they went to mortgage brokers who can't offer the program the way First Republic does direct. We make all the decisions, we fund the loan, and we make the decisions on the approvals, process, approve, and close it all under one roof. So this is really something that's very important. Anybody out there who's a homeowner right now, I don't care what your situation is, you have an adjustable that's about to change. It already changed. You're behind. You're not behind. You're one of those people who has equity, house rich, cash poor. Those of you out there who have owned your home at least 3 years and more, there's great opportunities for you. And really, by statistics, there's much more of you out there, multiples of those people who are in foreclosure, and you hear about it on the news. Nobody talks about the people who, own their homes and are making their payments and struggling to get by month after month. And sometimes they have, more credit card debt than they do money in the bank, and that's not a good formula for economic success for your family. So what can you do? Well, since you've been a homeowner for that period of time, you have equity, and we can help you take that equity, refinance, consolidate all your debts to one low tax deductible payment. Low fixed rate, even if you have a low credit score. Make the phone call. Find out how much you can benefit. You can also take cash out. You've heard the success stories. People who took out $20,000 in cash, paid off $20,000 in credit card debt, and their payment went down $800 a month. Well, why would you wait to call? If you're paying more than 7% of your mortgage, you have an adjustable, you have a lot of credit card debt, you have a need for cash, give us a call. Maybe you have deferred maintenance that you want to take care of. Some stuff you want to do for the house, but you just didn't have the money. make the phone call. Look at the interest rate on your credit cards. Hopefully that will inspire you to take action. I try. I say things like, everything sucks when you got no bucks, and everything is funny when you're saving money with First Republic Mortgage Bankers. I say, eliminate the middleman. I try to get passionate because I do feel passionate about what I do. I love to see people be able to turn around their situation from where they're, barely getting by till they walk out of our closing with cash and no debt. It's a beautiful thing, and it happens in a matter of 2 weeks. And now we've been giving more opportunity to help people with FHA Secure. So you owe it to yourself as a homeowner to get the facts. And that's what I'm talking about here. What's important is from First Republic, you can get the facts because we are a direct source, directly approved, the direct endorsement FHA lender. So call and get the facts. Don't buy the hype. Don't get scared. Many of you out there are scared to do anything regarding a mortgage. All you hear with Mortgage Connection is foreclosure, like Jay talks about. There is a lot of foreclosure out there, but there's so many more people who can be helped, and even those people who are in foreclosure who can be helped now with FHA Secure. The key is just making that phone call, 1-800 Quick Loan. Now we got, Tony, we got John Fahim, we've got David, we've got Fitzroy, we've got so many of the loan officers that are here right now, John Woods, we've got so many. They're here right now. They're waiting for your call. Manesh is here, and all of these guys have the expertise to be able to help you. Call right now. All these expert loan officers are here. These are people who, not in the business, been in the industry 6 months. They've been in this business 5 years plus. Some of them 11 years. Tony's been here 13 years. John Fahim 11 years. Give them a call. Get the facts. You can ask for them by name. 718-380-0006. And I'm going to say it again. Get the facts. Don't buy the hype. Don't be afraid to get the facts. Is what the government-backed programs can do to help you and your family, your homeowners, take advantage of the benefits that go along with it. If you don't call and you don't do anything, nothing will change. I don't know what your status is, but if you're behind on your stuff, you're going to be behind. If you have credit card debt, you're going to still have credit card debt. Nothing will change if you don't make a phone call. Something might change if you make the phone call. The worst thing you'll find out is what you need to do in order to be helped at some point in the future. We do that. We do free credit counseling. Free credit counseling. Let me say that again. Free credit counseling. We can show you how to improve your credit score, how to get things removed off of your credit score, off your credit report in a matter of days, and have your credit scores changed to reflect that in a matter of days instead of a matter of months. We have direct connection. Give us a call, 718-380-0006. Because, when you make that call, one call really does it all. You got all these experts, and they can do it all for you if you simply make the call. First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a licensed mortgage banker, direct lender in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Florida, South Carolina, Pennsylvania, and Maine. Headquartered at 110 Jericho Turnpike, Floral Park, New York. Don't forget to tune in to the early ride home every Monday from 5 to 8 o'clock. And also every single day to the Winner's Circle from 11 to 12 on Link Up Radio.